Hi boys and girls. For math today for 13.4, we're going to talk about shapes. So before we get into our textbook, we're just going to review. So look at this box. What shape is this box? It has 1, 2, 3, 4 sides that are all the same. If you said square, give yourself a high five. You're right, it's a square. Squares have 4 sides that are all the same. Then we have this one. It also has 1, 2, 3, 4 sides, but they're not all the same. This side and this side are the same, and this side and this side are the same. So 2 sides are the same. What shape is this? If you said rectangle, you're right. It's a rectangle. This is the fun shape. Look at my slice of pizza. My slice of pizza has 1, 2, 3 sides. What shape is that? 3 sides. If you said triangle, you were right. Now, let's look at just my plate. Look at my plate. What shape is my plate? There's no sides. It's a circle. Good. Okay, now, you're going to open up your textbook to page 79. You have to count and circle the set of 3 squares. So here we have 1, 2 squares. Here we have 1, 2, 3 circles. So we know that's not it because that's not squares. Then here we have 1, 2, 3 squares. So you should circle this one, 3 squares. Now on this side, you're going to count and circle the set of 2 triangles. So let's count here, 1, 2. Oh, that's 2. Do you think that's the answer? Those are squares though, not triangles. Let's count these, 1, 2. 2 triangles. And here is 1, 2, 3 triangles. So your answer should be right there in the middle, the 2 triangles. Okay, then you're going to take out your workbook and open up to page 79. Now the directions here, circle the square that has 5 circles. So we have a yellow square, a yellow circle, and another yellow square. So we're gonna look at the 2 squares because we know we have to circle the square that has 5 circles. So it's gonna be either this one or this one. Now let's count and see how many they have. This one has 1, 2, 3, 4. So that's not it. Let's check up here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Is that right? The square with 5 circles in it. So you should circle this one. Then you're going to turn the page. And on this page, you're going to color the group of 5 squares. So you're going to look at each group. Which one has squares? So it's either the top one or the bottom one because those are squares. And then decide which one has 5. So you're going to count. And whichever one has 5 squares, you're going to color in. And that's it for today. Now, you can look around your house to see what shapes you can find because there's a lot of things that are shapes, like food, like my pizza. My pizza was a triangle. Some pizzas are like squares or rectangles. And some of your snacks may be like goldfish or not goldfish, like crackers might be squares or rectangles or circles, or your fruit maybe. So look around your house and see what kind of shapes you can find.